We have to go to Best Buy.
Oh yeah.
You want to come with me?
If you close the door real quick.
So we have to go buy a new laptop. Mine's broken. Wow, just a gorgeous day.
Let's jump in the Rari.
Oh yeah, you want to drive?
No,
Please?
I don't want to.
Cold start for the boys, as usual. Oh wow, that's a real cold start. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's like 2 months ago, maybe a month and a half ago, I was at my buddy Josh Bader's house. We were trying to tune his Evo 10, and I was getting really pissed off at my laptop. If you're an OG to the channel, you know that my laptop always has been super slow, my tuning laptop. So I beat the shit out of my laptop, and now when I try to turn it on, it just sits there and clicks. I have a map for my Evo 8 sitting in my inbox right now. So what we're gonna do is run to Best Buy, buy a new laptop, something that can actually not piss me off all the time, and then come back to the house. We should be able to start tuning the Evo 8 today, if all goes as planned. You like?
I like, I guess.
So we just got out of Best Buy. I found a laptop that was pretty decent for like 300 bucks. So we're gonna head back to the house right now. We have to load up Evo Scan and ECU Flash on this thing. Hopefully it'll like run them properly, unlike my old laptop, and we should be able to tune much faster now. All right, dudes, we're back home now. So I'm on the laptop getting it all set up. We need to download ECU Flash. ECU Flash is pretty much how you data log a car, and then Evo. Wait, no, I got that backwards. ECU Flash is how you reflash the ECU. Obviously, that makes sense. And that is a free program. Evo Scan, we do have to pay, I think it's $25 for. Evo Scan is how you're gonna go about data logging the car. So we are e-tuning. I haven't told you guys yet, the new tuner for all my Evos, and they also tune plenty of other cars as well, is More Automotive. They're out in, I wanna say in Virginia. I've been talking to the dudes over at More for quite a while, and they seem to really know what they're doing. And what initially attracted me over to them is the knowledge they have with multiple different platforms. They do Subarus, they do Evos. I know they do like GTRs, Corvettes. They do a ton of different cars. And I know the tuner there, who is Chris, I know he is very knowledgeable when it comes to tuning cars. So yeah, the cat is out of the bag. More Automotive is going to be tuning all of my cars from here on out. I'll have them linked down in the description box below if you guys want to go check them out. They are very reasonably priced, and like I said, they tune so many different cars. Let's get everything loaded up on the computer that we need, and then we can get to tuning the Evo 8. We got everything loaded up on the computer that we need. We have Evo Scan version 2.7, and then we have ECU Flash. So first thing we're gonna open up to reflash the Evo 8 is ECU Flash, of course. This laptop is so nice, so fast, and it's only 300 bucks from Best Buy. So it's pretty sick. We're gonna come up here in the corner, open ROM, Devin Niemela 2003 Evo 8, open. We're gonna go out to the car and reflash it. Should be pretty simple. So down there we have the temperature scale plugged in, obviously plugged into the computer right here. All we're gonna do is turn the ignition on. I'm sure you guys have seen my tuning videos before, but if not, it's pretty simple to do. Turn the ignition on. Let me see if I can get this shuttering away. Is that better? I don't really know. And we're gonna come up here, write current loaded ROM image to ECU's flash memory. Gonna click on that, click OK. This right here is reflashing the ECU, so we're basically putting a new tune onto the car. Sweet, guys, all finished up. Operations completed successfully. We can turn the ignition off and then fire up the car for the very first time with the new More Automotive tune. Let's see how she runs. That cold start was the most crispy cold start I've ever heard on this car, so that definitely made me feel pretty good. So while we are waiting for Chris from More Automotive to get back to us about data logging, let's go ahead and get the car cleaned up. We need to wash the Evo 8, and the FRS is absolutely disgusting as well. So let's go get these things cleaned up real quick. gnarly. We do also have a check engine light that is on, so we're gonna go ahead and scan that, see what that's all about as well. Well, my car was running fine and then it died and now it won't start. It's kind of strange. I'm gonna pull out the OBD2 scanner, scan that check engine light. Maybe that is why it's not starting. It's really strange. So we have a air intake temperature sensor circuit low, which I'm guessing it's because I'm on speed density and the tuner may have just forgot to turn off my stock MAF sensor reading. That's maybe what it's for. Fuel temperature sensor, A, circuit low. Not really sure what that's for. I'm gonna send these over to the tuner. Hopefully that is why the car isn't starting. Let's give it one more shot though. Let's try it. Try it again. We got it, boys. Yeah, this thing's running really, really rich right now. It just blew a bunch of smoke out, so it's probably just flooded. Let's get us back up to the house, and we can get the FRS washed. This thing's rough to drive right now. Don't die, don't die. Come on, baby, come on. Ooh, that was close. Alrighty then. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the driveway is looking quite a bit more empty these days. The STI is officially gone, as you guys know, and I never mentioned to you here on YouTube, I did on Instagram, but the 350Z is officially sold as well. So that leaves us to the Evo 8, Evo 10, FRS, Tacoma, which I'm selling, the R1, and another car I still have not told you guys about. There is a specific reason why I haven't told you guys about it. You guys should know about that mystery car here pretty soon, or I don't know when. It'll probably be like another month or something before I ever tell you guys about it. But yeah, 350Z is officially gone. When I got that car, I never had intentions of keeping it. The only reason I got it is because it was worth quite a bit more than the Subaru Forester that I traded it for. So yeah, that car was fun while it lasted, but we do have one more thing before we end out today's video, and that is to go downstairs, get on the computer, and pick a winner for this Toyota badge. All right, we have yesterday's video loaded up. Let's copy this thumbnail. I'm gonna try this YouTube comment picker thing again. Paste it over here, get YouTube comments, and I'm just gonna go until the deal was just comment hashtag Maserati. So the first one that commented hashtag Maserati that it picks is the winner. And that is Matthew Gallardo or Gallardo. You are the winner. Shoot me a DM over on Instagram and I'll get this Toyota badge sent over to you. It's pretty dope. It's like matte black. I kind of want to get some more for the FRS, but I haven't found any that fit the Subaru bumper properly. All right, my fam, that is it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. We did get to start tuning the Evo 8 just a little bit. We got the pretty much like a base map on there. Hopefully within the next few days, the car will be 100% fully tuned and running like it should. Once again, if you're interested in getting a tune on your own car, hit up More Automotive. I'll have them linked down in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next vlog.